Okay, good morning. This is 3rd August, English video session for class 6. We are doing the topic who did Patrick's job, Patrick's homework. Okay, and we have already done 3 paragraphs. Now we are entering into the 4th paragraph. Yes. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. This we completed. He kicked his legs and doubled his fists, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I'll do it. Listen to this. Which is a little man? This is nothing but the elf. The one which the cat was playing with. You remember? The cat was playing with the small man. That is none other than the elf. Okay. His face, when he was asked to do the homework till the semester, what did he do? His face wrinkled, shrink. When you don't like something, how is your face? Shrinks. Okay, like a dishcloth. When we do some work and tablecloth, how is it? Is it a fresh cloth? It is wrinkled. Like that, his face wrinkled, and then he wanted to. It has to be. A hamper is what? It is an open dustbin. Okay, thrown in an open dustbin. He kicked his legs and doubled his fists. These are all signs of what? To show his protest. No, I will not do this work. In order to show your protest, you kick your legs, you double your fist. You are not happy with the scene. You don't want to continue with that work which is given to you. You want to escape. So you want to show protest means this is how the person does. He pursed his lip. I am cursed. I am cursed. I don't want to do it. Then also I will do it. That is what he is saying. Is that clear to you? Okay. Now let us go to the next paragraph. Okay. And true to his words, this little elf began to work to do the Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. What was that glitch? Glitch is nothing but a problem, a difficulty. Somewhere he was not able to do it. The elf didn't always know what to do. The elf did not know what to do. It has not gone to school. It don't know what is English subjects, science subjects, math subjects, addition, nothing. So what happened is it asked Patrick to help. Help me, help me. What did he say? Help me. And he used to shout. Okay. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. What? Help. Help me, he says. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. Even small things he didn't know. It is a stupid thing. Okay. It didn't know anything. It wanted help for everything. It needed help for everything. Whatever be it, English subject, not even a single subject it knew. It wanted help for every subject from Patrick's. Is that clear to you? Yes. It can't understand what is this English subject, what is this science subject, what is this math subject. In fact, he knows next to nothing. Is that clear? So he finds what to say, irritation on all the things that is going on. Now children, in this paragraph, underline the word glitch. See the word glitch. G-L-I-T-C-H. Glitch. What is a glitch? A glitch is the one where it's an informal word. That is something faulty, any faulty in the machine. It's not working. Some difficulty, it stops, it's not working. Some fault is called glitch. Underline that word. This is be there for your spellings. Okay, spell test. So underline glitch. Okay, then. Okay, we will go to the next paragraph. Okay, yes. I don't know this word. The elf squeaked. What did it do? Squeaked. What is the meaning of squeaked? Again making all sorts of sounds. Okay, it is making a lot of sound. I can't do this. It is shouting. Okay, squeaked. Clear? I don't know this word. The elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. Hey, no. Whatever is even better, look up the word and sound it better for me. Oh God, he don't know how to see a dictionary. He don't know the spelling of a word. He don't know how to sound a word. It's very difficult, is it not? Even these words. Don't you all know, children, how to see a dictionary? Don't you know how to see a dictionary? Don't you know how to do spellings? Yes, but the elf know nothing. It is a big stupid. Is that clear to you? I don't know this word. Any word, by the way, not one word, two words, anything. The elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No. What's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each word. You have to tell me word by word, sound by sound, spellings, dictionary meaning, everything Patrick has to help him. He is not able to think anything by himself. He is such a great stupid that he don't understand. First and foremost, this elf has not even gone to any school. Then if you ask him to do any work, can he do? It is not possible. Okay, so Patrick runs to the library, runs to the dictionary, runs here and there to get the work done, but ultimately it sits. It is sitting and ordering whom? Patrick to do all the jobs. Is that clear to do? Clear to you all? Yes. Underline the word squeaked. Squeaked. Okay. Dictionary. Underline the word dictionary. Yes. Check the spellings and then underline. So that while reading itself, you have to memorize the spellings. Things have to go together. You are already in class 6. Yes. What is the next word? I think that is better for this particular paragraph. Shall we go to the next one? Are you able to understand till this? Yes. Now some of the words I'll tell you, which glitch is an informal word, a fault in the machine that prevents it from working properly. So hitch, H-I-T-C-H, that also we can use. Glitch also can be. How? Tell me, repeat after me. Glitch. Glitch. Hitch. Hitch. They convey the same meaning. That is some fault and things are not working. For example, you take your cycle. It doesn't move forward. You have a glitch. What is a glitch? There is maybe some tire issue. There may be some chain issue. The system has become, it's rusted. Some problem is there. So what is it called? Hitch or glitch. Is that clear to you? Okay. Shall we continue? Yes. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. Out of luck. What is out of luck and luck? Lucky means what? You're fortunate. You get something without even asking, without even knowing, you get some benefit. It is called lucky. Out of luck is whatever you want to get also you don't get. Is that clear? What you want to get, rightly also you are not getting. That is called out of luck. Luck is not at all there. Luck is zero. In that situation, what is his place? Luck is zero. Look at the question. The elf is asking, what are timetables? You know timetables? Tables, what are tables? Do you know table? What is max table? Multiplication table? 2 into 2, 4, 2, 3 are 6. The elf don't know. We elves never need it. In the elf's family, elves don't need to go to school. Elves don't need to read mathematics. Elves don't need to read social science. There is no need for them to go and write examination. There is no semester. There is no headmaster. It is so nice. Their life is easy, isn't it? But you have all the things like Patrick. You have maths. You have English. You have science. You have to learn all those things. Okay. So what does this elf says? Why are you what is the need for this? We elves. Look at the spelling of elves. E-L-V-E-S. Elf is singular. E-L-F, elf is singular. E-L-V-E-S, elves is plural. Repeat after me. Elf. E-L-F is singular. What is plural? E-L-V-E-S, elves. Repeat. Elves. That is plural. Shrieked means what? See, he is shrieking. He gave a sharp, a cry. No, you make a irritating sound, crying. I can't do it. I can't do it. Like the shrieking. That is called the shrieking sound. Okay, anybody feels irritated about that sound. It's like that's how the elf is doing to Patrick. Okay, when it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What is the meaning of out of luck? That his luck was 0. Out of luck means luck is 0. He don't know anything. The elf know nothing about mathematics, timetable, clock table. What is this? All these things. We elf don't study all these things. We don't do this. We don't do that. It's really so irritating to Patrick. He is doing double the work. Understood, children? Yes. Did you understand? Now underline these words. Yes. Underline elves. Okay. Yes. Shrieked. Underline shriek. Yes. Till this, learn and come for the next class. You should be able to spell out these words. Okay. And you should be able to read also. Till we meet in the next class. Thank you, children.